Running a busy trade business, I'm going to show you how this one AI system, three-step system, will uplift your conversions by 391%. Okay, and that's not just a made-up figure. This is actually stats and data over working with 200 plus service-based businesses. Okay, unfortunately, if you do not get back to your inquiries within 5 minutes, you miss out on 80% of your customers. Okay, and they always go to the first company that responds. Okay, and unfortunately, humans cannot respond within 5 minutes every single time an inquiry comes through. It's just impossible. Okay, no matter how good your sales team is. So what I wanted to show you a three-step AI solution that can do this for you, whether it's the weekend, evenings, 5 o'clock, 5 a.m., 8 p.m., whatever day it is. Every single inquiry or lead or anything that comes through any channel of yours will get instantly responded to, instantly qualified, and pushed to the next step in your sales process. Okay, so let me show you exactly how that works with a little diagram that I've built here. So it's just super easy to comprehend. And then what I'll do at the end is show you a system that you can use if you want to do it in your business, and it's super easy to install. Okay, so again, three-step solution to get 391% conversion increase, which again any company needs, whether you're so busy with jobs or not. You're missing a lot of revenue here just by not having instant response. Okay, what the biggest thing is the speed to lead problem that we see with companies. Okay, so here's a simple system to get that done. So first step is to define the blueprint. And what I mean by that is identify the primary outcome. So whatever you want your customer to be doing, is it a book call, completed quote, referral, whatever. Okay, so you map out those lead steps to conversion. Okay, and you have that blueprint set up. The second step is your instant automation response. Okay, so what happens as soon as that person comes through, the lead comes through, they get a personalized message instantly. Hi, John, thanks for coming through. What do you look to do? Whatever it is. Okay, the highest converting opener that we've seen. Okay, so we get a 55% response rate with the leads. Okay, is a simple yes or no question. So little things like, hey James, have I got the right number for you? Yes or no? Right. Hey James, did you just send an inquiry about getting your roof repaired or whatever it is? Okay, so they go, yes, that was me, of course. What we need to do is the goal is to get an immediate response, and this works 24/7. Okay, so from there, AI will warm up and lead and qualify the lead for you. Okay, so it starts the conversation. Like I said, ask simple qualification questions. Okay, so it qualifies or disqualifies the lead for you, and then AI will handle any objections and questions. So your AI is basically trained and prompted around your business with a knowledge base, so it knows all the questions, all the FAQs, all the services, all the pricing, everything. Okay, it'll then filter to pass on 20% of the high quality leads straight to if you've got a sales team or however your operation works. Okay, but it might be you should have that all your stages done with AI basically. So our system can handle 80% of your sales process. That's what you want. It's going to give you so much time back, which actually allows you to either expand or to get more jobs done, and then you can take a massive step back. All right. So this is what we see that's happening by not having these. Okay. So businesses are trying to over automate the wrong things, which again, all these things sound fancy, but you just need simple systems. Okay. You're losing 55% of business due to inquiries from the evenings and the weekends because again, they need to be responded to within seconds, in minutes. Okay. And people are like, I don't want to message people at 5 o'clock in the morning. They are inquiring for a service. So if an AI responds to them, it's not a negative thing. Okay, speed to lead equals conversions. Okay, and you'll see why. 80% of leads are lost after 5 minutes. These are made up stats. Okay, over half the leads come when no one is actually working. So like I said, evenings, after 5 o'clock, weekends, early in the morning. Okay, over half your leads come through then. 391% conversion if you have a maximum of 60-second reply. Okay, our system has a 10-second response rate. So basically, the lead comes in within 10 seconds, okay, maximum 45. They'll get a response, whether it's through social media, it's through a website, it's through a form, it's through ads, anything. Okay, this is how we convert so much more business just by having a speed to lead system. Okay, customers expect speed, not excuses. All right, so again, with data, if a customer doesn't get a response within 10 minutes, they are gone. Okay, humans are slow, AI is instant. no matter how good your sales team is. I'm not saying replace your whole sales team with AI. Use the system to complement the sales team and get them working the good qualified leads while this one does all the hard work for you. Okay. If you can respond, if you can have lead response, okay, and quotes sent out, or quotes followed up within under 10 seconds, it's simple. More jobs are closed, okay, which means a lot more revenue for the business and a lot easier, a lot easier admin and work for you guys. Okay, so guys, there's a link below. Our system, you can actually have this installed in your business, which actually works with your current setup. I'm not selling a software subscription. Okay, we installed this AI system into your current setup, whatever, if you're using ServiceMate, BuildExact, Jobber, Fergus, whatever it is. Okay, we'll currently install this system in there, create your AI custom layout that does all these, the lead response for you. And the best thing is it's only $149 a week. Okay, so if you want to use this system, click the link below and let's have a quick chat and align it with your business goals. If not, no worries at all. You can just use this video and try and set up some sort of AI follow-up as well. But if you don't do this, you're losing so much business.